Good morning, students. From Standard 6 English Medium, Unit 4. In this unit, there is a poem named Beauty. So, in the small poem, the writer E. A. Shur saying about beauty. Let me tell you the story of the poem. First, listen it carefully. The story. What the beauty poem saying about. Beauty can be seen, heard, and felt. It is seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, the growing corn. It is also seen in the working people or those people who dance for their harvest. Beauty can be heard in the night. It is heard when the wind sighs, rain falls, or a singer chants in earnest. Beauty can be felt. It is felt in one's own self. It is felt in the mind when we think of good deeds and happy thoughts. They repeat themselves in dreams, in work, or even in rest. So, this is the story of the poem Beauty. Now, this story I am going to tell you in Hindi. Beauty means what? Beauty means in Hindi means सौंदर्य. Then what is beauty? Beauty को कहाँ देखा है? Where we seen it? सौंदर्य देखा, सुना और अनुभव किया जा सकता है. सौंदर्य देखा जा सकता है, सुना जा सकता है कि ये ब्यूटीफुल है और अनुभव किया जा सकता है. इसे सूरज की धूप में, पेड़ों में, पक्षियों में, उगते हुए अनाज में, काम करते लोगों में देखा जा सकता है. इसे उन लोगों में भी देखा जा सकता है जो श्रम करते हैं, मेहनत करते हैं, अथवा जो फसल के लिए नाचते हैं. सौंदर्य को रात्रि में सुना जा सकता है. यह तब सुनाई देता है जब हवा आह भरती है, वर्षा होती है या कोई गायक मस्ती में गाता है. तब सौंदर्य को रात्रि में सुना जा सकता है. सौंदर्य को अनुभव किया जा सकता है. यह स्वयं अपने अंदर अनुभव होता है. यह मन में अनुभव होता है. जब हम अच्छे कार्यों या सुंदर विचारों के बारे में सोचते हैं, वे स्वप्नों, कार्यों तथा आराम के बीच में बार बार आते हैं. तो ये थी पोएम. हिंदी में मैंने आपको समझाई. अब दिस पोएम, व्हाट डज द स्टांजा मीन्स, टेलिंग यू. I am going to explain through the stanzas. This is the first stanza, second and third. What does it mean? I am explaining it. Let's see. Beauty is seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, corn growing and people walking, or dancing for their harvest. Here, the meaning of the word, this corn. What does this mean? Here, corn. Corn means grain. And this, in the stanza said, so corn means grain and harvest means crop, fasal. So in this stanza, the poet says, beauty is seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, corn growing and people working or dancing for their harvest. The poet says, what says? Beauty is seen everywhere during the day. It is there in the sunlight, the trees and the birds. It is seen in the growing corn. One can see it in the people who work or dance for the gathering of their crops. तो पोएट क्या कहते हैं कि सूर्य के प्रकाश में सौंदर्य देखा जा सकता है, वृक्षों में, पक्षियों में, उगते अनाज में और फसल की कटाई में काम करते और नाचते लोगों में सौंदर्य दिखाई दे सकता है. So poet says in this first stanza. Now comes to the second stanza. Beauty is heard. In the first stanza, beauty is seen. Now beauty is heard. Beauty is heard in the night. Wind shining, rain falling, or a singer chanting. Anything in earnest. Now see the word. The word is this, chanting. Chanting means singing. And this word, earnest, means here seriously. So the poet says in this second stanza that some sounds heard in the night are beautiful. It may be the sighing wind, falling rain, or a singer pouring his heart out, whatever the words. तो पोएट क्या कहते हैं कि रात में सौंदर्य सुनाई देता है, फिर चाहे हवा की साय साय हो, वर्षा हो, या फिर और अथवा कोई गायक तल्लीन होकर या तल्लीन गा के साथ कुछ भी गाता हो. सो द पोएट हर्ड एट नाइट द साउंड ऑफ ब्यूटी. नाउ इन द थर्ड स्टांजा, beauty is in yourself. Good deeds, happy thoughts that repeat themselves in your dreams, in your work, and even in your rest. So in the third stanza, it's a word, this, deeds. Deeds means acts, karya. So the poet says in the third stanza, where is beauty? Beauty is within us. In the first stanza, beauty is seen. In the second stanza, beauty is heard. And in the third stanza, where is beauty? Beauty is within us, in yourself. Beauty is in yourself. Good actions give rise to pleasant thoughts. They keep on haunting us in dreams, work, or even in our moments or rest. सो पोएट क्या कहते हैं थर्ड स्टांजा में? पोएट कहते हैं कि सौंदर्य हमारे अंदर है, अच्छे कामों से अच्छे विचार आते हैं. ये विचार स्वप्नों में, काम में और यहाँ तक कि आराम के क्षणों में भी बार बार हमारे अंदर आते हैं. So friends, this is the explanation of the poem, telling you the story and explaining the poem through the stanza wise. I hope you understand this poem. The name of the poem is Beauty, where we can see the beauty, we can heard it. And where is beauty? Beauty is in ourselves. I hope you understand it, this poem, Beauty. Thank you.